Hello YouTube, it's Jorge Campos 5604, and I'm continuing the battle train for the single place. I don't know what you want to call it, single train. So I'm going to continue challenge. I was going to pick the same three Pokemon, Jolteon, Haxorus, and Gallade. Confirm. So yeah, this is actually the third time. So if I get all the way to the final person, I'll actually battle the leader of the train, whatever crap. So hopefully I get there and I actually beat it. Because I don't think I've ever done this. Because I never really found the use of it. Like, only when I didn't have Wi-Fi I would do it, but I just got bored and would use the Pokemon I used in my actual team when I actually first played it. So I'm going to battle Janitor Durbin, the Jealous Burungeru. So Thunder's probably going to KO it because Extra Belt Stab. I want to go for Shadow Ball, but I also maybe wouldn't kill it because it's pretty bulky. So Thunder is going to KO it, and Curse Body would disable my damn Thunder. He's going to have Beartic. I do not know what this thing wants to do, so I'm going to Volt Switch out of there. So I'm obviously not going to go into my Haxorus because first thing the ice move, I don't want Haxorus to die. And I just started this. Going with my Blaze, who has a Drain Punch. I'm going to go for a Dive. Okay. I'm just going to bulk up to get my defense up. That Dive won't do too much. I can just kill with the Drain Punch. And Dive does not even half. They showed me his Life Orb, which means I will be able to kill with the Drain Punch. So Drain Punch is going to kill that Beartic. So there goes Beartic. Next he has Emolga. I hate these damn things. Go over Shadow Sneak. Guys have a Light Screen, which I find really stupid because I'm a physical attacker, but better for me. Shadow Sneak is going to bring it down to red, not even red, yellow. Then it has a Citrus Berry. Go for the Thunder Wave, which I don't really care because I'm using Shadow Sneak, which allows me to go first. So Shadow Sneak, I know it's not going to KO it. Acrobatic, which is not going to kill me because I got a bulk up. Some bulk up. So Shadow Sneak should be able to kill it. So yeah, the first battle, it seemed kind of long, 3 minutes, but oh well. Hopefully the other battle will be faster. On the second, number 2, battling what looks like to be a worker. He got schooled by his boss, which is not surprising because these people are kind of stupid. I'm battling Clerk, Male, Mika, or Trubbish. I always hate these things. They're exactly what they are. These pile of trash, piece of shit. So Shadow Ball. I don't get why I ever had like 3 fully evolved Pokemon, and this guy has a stupid Trubbish. Amnesia, that's gonna help you so much. Well, as your defense raises, Black Sludge Recovery, Shadow Ball, still it's gonna KO because of the Jolteon Shadow Ball. He's gonna send out his Pawniard. I don't really see him going with Thunder. It's a Stab. Come from Jolteon. That should KO. What's that? And the Lillipup. For another Thunder, I actually hit both of them. So that should KO the Lillipup. Yep. So why can't all my battles be like that? You just go through in a minute. It literally was like a minute. After the train thingy and going to the next battle crap, that was like a minute. So hopefully the rest of the battle will be like that. Okay, she said I'm cute. That's pretty weird. I'm battling Nursery, Aid, and Ska. Semi-Pro, which is going to get demolished by my Thunder. Because like I said, I'm extra built to Jolteon. Not Sex or Scarf or any crap like that. No Thunder, demolished, Semi-Pro. Gardevoir. And I probably can't KO in one shot, but I don't care. I'm going for Shadow Ball to get off damage. And he's just going to go for Toxic Bug. I know he has Black Sludge, yep. But I don't really care. I'm just going to go for that Thunder. And obviously I'm going to miss. He's going to miss. So we just wasted a turn. He gets Black Sludge. I get Toxic damage. That really sucks for me. Now I'm going for Thunder, and now I'm going to hit. Fuck you. Fuck you even more. If you kill me, I'll freaking destroy you. Alright, good, I did shit. I don't really want to switch out, because it's always going to be useless now. Well, finally I hit damn Thunder, and that's not even going to KO. Oh, it is. Okay, good. So Jolteon's not gonna die Toxic, considering there's Molga, which he didn't have static, not the electromagnetic motor drive crap. So I know it's not gonna just race it to speed. I'm not really worried. Got Extreme Wall Ability. I'm pretty sure they don't have Extreme Wall Abilities for the Battle Train. So yeah, Jolteon just doing work through all the people. But really, the only reason why I'm saying it, because I don't want to use my other Pokemon so far. And this always happens, when I battle the first time, I used to use the first Pokemon, and then I use the rest of the Pokemon until the end, and I just got killed because I didn't have to use them, so I wasn't ready, I wasn't used to them. But whatever. I'm not a Crustle. No, I can't KO it because he has 30. I'm gonna go for the Shadow Ball. What the fuck? He has an Earthquake? No! I just got destroyed by a Crystal. Go, Axorus. Aqua Tail that bitch out of here. Boing. It's gonna KO it. Super effective. She has a Rocky Helmet, you little bitch. Jealous sense. Fuck. You can only hit it with a dual chop. And we're going for Dragon Dance. Aw, you are the gayest piece of crap I know. So now I know I'm slower. Oh, you're so gay right now. Okay, you're not that gay. That's not even gonna be a 2 KO. Gonna live. Fuck. 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 Fuck you. Okay, now I just don't have this Gallade. He has 2 Pokemon left. Hopefully that focus on a freaking Sableye or something, because it would just destroy me. Shadow Sneak gonna kill. Okay, I didn't know I could take because I got that Drain Punch. What the? Okay. I'm justified as simple. Oh well. Drain Punch is gonna not KO. And I'm surprised the thing is faster than me, so what the fuck? Oh, that's why it's a Trick Room. It's not a turn back to normal, so I'm obviously faster. I'm gonna take out the Audino. You're not popular. You have a freaking Gardevoir. I mean, you pick it up out of the trash. Not popular, you freaking nasty ass slut. Wear some proper clothes. Pokemon never betray you. Well, no, because the Diamond and Pearl series, look at that one guy, Paul. He feeds Pokemon like shit. I got another Maractus. I don't know why I don't have Hidden Power Ice. I should have Hidden Power Ice or something. So this shit. Okay, I don't care about Cotton Guard because I'm going for special attacks. Get Cotton Guard for days. I don't give a fuck. Shadow Ball. Not gonna KO. You are a son of a bitch. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna keep spamming Shadow Ball. It's like going for another Cotton Guard because these guys are stupid. Fuck you. I think I'm doing no damage because this is like getting back to where it was at. Okay, fuck this. Get out. No. Accurate. I actually think I could have stalled it out because I think this is like 5 PP. Something like that. So if I could have stalled it out, I don't know why I didn't do that. Wow, these dual charges aren't doing because Cotton Guard. About to say, freaking Axers, you're weak. That was a scary moment right there. I thought this thing was bulky as fuck. I remember I got Cotton Guard up. This dual shop ain't gonna do shit now. Does more than it did last time. Sunny Day, Cotton Guard, Synthesis. I think it has Solar Ring, doesn't it? I need a crit. Give me a crit. And yeah, I'm fucked. Actually, Shadow Ball could take it out from here if I get KO'd. Pretty sure I won't, but anyways, yeah. Resisted, ain't doing shit. Sorry about moving the DS. Dual Chop. Dual Chop. Yeah. Justice. I don't know. Well, I don't know. Just shit smash. Fuck yeah. Yeah, hold your mouth open like a little slut you are. Freaking tramp Pokemon. Gonna KO. Even without the Dragon, I'm pretty sure I would have KO'd anyway because actually seems strong motherfucker. And this thing is not faster because I got a Dragon Dance up or Dual Chop. It's around that much. Earthquake. I don't really care. Just finish off Dual Chop. One of them because I don't need two. I should call it Chop. So they had a useless crit. Crit mattered. It's about time you lose. It took forever. Your little trolling ass Maractus. I got this one in the last battle. Now would be the leader person. It's your twin sister. Cincino. Okay, these things are. When I first saw it, I thought they were just a cute little Pokemon, Jigglypuff and useless as fuck. But actually looking at it closely, they're pretty damn fast, and you got pretty good attack. And thanks to the technician or the skill link, the rock slap, tail slap, and bullet seed, crap, all that. Yeah, it's just a lot. If I use like Sweep the Sky's team or just go through with this Thunder, that'd be crazy. Got 2 Thunders, Eevee Gym, Expert Belted.